In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate QuickBooks with ease, ensuring that your accounting tasks become more streamlined and efficient. Whether you're new to QuickBooks or just looking to enhance your workflow, this guide will walk you through the essential steps needed to manage your business's expenses effectively. Let's dive straight into the process. First, you'll need to open your preferred web browser and go to the QuickBooks website. You can do this by typing in qbo.intuit.com in your address bar, or simply searching for QuickBooks Online in your search engine. Once you're on the home page, you'll see the login section where you'll need to enter your credentials to access your QuickBooks account. Make sure you have your login information handy. After logging in, you'll find yourself at the main dashboard. It's designed to give you a quick snapshot of your business's financial health. From here, you need to find the menu button. This is usually represented as 3 horizontal lines, often referred to as a hamburger menu. It's typically located on the upper left side of the screen. Clicking on this will expand a panel that will give you access to various sections of QuickBooks. Next, you'll want to locate and click on the Expenses tab. This is crucial as it takes you to the area where you can view, manage, and categorize all the financial outflows of your business. Managing expenses effectively is vital for maintaining accurate financial records and ensuring you have a true picture of where your money is going. Once you're in the Expenses section, you might notice a couple more options within it. Here, you need to click again on the Expenses button that appears. It might seem repetitive, but this ensures you're diving deeper into the specific details of your financial transactions. It's in this section that you can explore your expenses in more detail, whether you're looking at recent transactions or filtering through specific data to get a handle on your business spending. Finally, to complete this process, you'll want to click on Print Checks. This feature is instrumental if you need physical copies of your checks for your records or to distribute to vendors and employees. It's straightforward, and QuickBooks guides you through the printing process, including adjustments for your preferred check format or printer settings if needed. And there you have it. Following these steps will help you navigate QuickBooks more efficiently, allowing you to manage your business expenses with confidence. Remember, getting familiar with these features can significantly ease your day-to-day accounting responsibilities.